Relating fractions, decimals, and percentages, a flipbook relating rational numbers. This is a tool that should be used to help students review and to concrete those concepts. Equivalent fractions. The first page of this flipbook actually has students relate various fractions that are equal to each other. And what they'll notice is that the shaded part stays the same, but the number of pieces changes. So it's the same basic amount, but it's just cut into more pieces. Then we're converting fractions to decimals using the place value chart. In my 10 years of teaching, I've noticed that students really have a disconnect here between understanding the decimals and the place value chart compared to fractions and where they fall, where they fit in. So you have 7/10, and you also have 7/10 as a decimal, and you have the words there. Here's an example the students have to make themselves. They can pick anything they want to make and make it there. Okay, here's another thing where there's fractions and decimals, and you're relating that, and you also see the words. So it's a really good way to help students have a notes flipbook to kind of show that. Okay, here we're going into actually a concrete model of fractions and decimals. So students will see that you can make into a fraction out of hundreds. The fraction is related to the decimal, and they're seeing how they're related. Okay, that first page was just dealing with tenths. Now we're getting into fourths and fifths. Generally things that students start to look at when they first start studying this. And everything just matches up, which makes it really nice for the students to go back and refer to. Using the FDP chart. Okay, this is something that I came up with to tie everything in. The fraction, decimals, percents can all be related to something out of 100. And this is something that I've seen quite a few people use. And I'm just kind of putting it together for you here. I use it a lot in my class, and I notice the students, especially when you get into probability and comparing fractions, decimals, percents, it's a really good tool for them to understand. I am Betta Math, and if you like this product, you can find it on my store at teacherspayteachers.com.